Here we are, finally, after a very long time, 18 months of waiting for today, but it's finally here. We're going to pick up our new motorhome. It's a second motorhome because we did have one before. It was a beautiful but very old boy that had great fun with him for about a year, but he was a bit old, a bit knackered, a bit slow. A little bit like you. So it had to be part exchange for a new one, which I don't think I'd do that to you then.
Cute.
So yeah, he was great fun. We loved every minute of him. So now we are in position to finally go and back a new van. It's been 18 months because we decided to put the villa on the market and try and sell it. It took a little bit longer than we'd hoped, but it doesn't matter because we've done it now. So we're in Spain, even though you can't tell.
It's just stopped raining.
Has just stopped raining.
I'm going the right way, aren't I?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, I'm going the right way.
The sun was shining yesterday, but we did have that dirty Sahara rain a couple of days ago, which we really don't want it to do on our first day on our nice shiny new van.
No.
We're just deciding what colour he is, because the dirty rain is going to really show up on him, because he's not the traditional white motorhome. We think he's grey.
He is grey.
He is grey. He's grey.
He's grey.
He's grey. I thought he was khaki green?
Tank green.
Tank green.
Tank green. It's not tank green. It's nowhere near green. It's the least green I've ever seen. It's grey.
Okay, he's grey. Well, we'll find out in a minute because we're only about 2 minutes away. So we think he's grey with a little bit of a red lines on him.
Yeah, that's the downside, but we're going to change that.
We'll change that later. Okay, we're coming up to it now, so we'll catch you in a moment. Bye! So excited!
Okay, so we've done it. We've picked up the motorhome. We have just stopped for a bite to eat and a little drink to celebrate. Non-alcoholic, obviously, because we're still driving. And the sun's come out. See, we are in Spain. We weren't lying.
It did rain quite a lot as you were driving, though.
We weren't lying. So yeah, exciting times ahead. And unfortunately, when we picked him up, it was pouring with rain. We went through the whole kind of instruction thing. Didn't film any of it anyway because, you know,
Had to concentrate.
we had to focus. But we'll do a van tour at some point, no doubt. But yeah, so now he's filthy because it rained. But hey ho, it is what it is. So we're going to fill him full of junk from our previous motorhome.
See how much of it fits in.
See how much of it fits in, and then we'll be heading off on our travels. So yeah, let's go and take a look at him.
There he is. He's not that big, really.
Which one?
Which one? I think you can tell, can't you? The colour.
There he is.
What colour is he? Definitely is, you're right.
It's grey, isn't it?
He is. No, it's not, though.
It's
not
definitely grey, isn't it?
That's grey.
That's grey. It's grey.
I don't know still.
I think you may be colourblind.
A bit dirty.
So here he is. A little bit mucky. Not too bad actually, but
Oh, look at him.
there we go. That's our little home on wheels. So, ready to travel?
Absolutely.
Let's do it.
Right way.
Okay, so we're inside. Just going to do a quick overview, and it will be quick because it's now 30 degrees. So after the rain, the sun's come out and yeah, it's a little bit toasty. So basically thought just give you a quick look around before we fill it with a load of
Lovely stuff.
Okay. Okay, so with the cab. Can't wait to play with that. A little screen. Rear view mirror, even though we can't see out of it, but that's there for a reason. Ouch! Oops, tighten it.
It's a small little area.
Bit short. Dining and lounging area. Oh, kitchen. Little fridge down there, keep the beer cold. Oh yes.
This, got to show this.
Oh yeah, this is.
This is the
Okay.
best.
Hi. So bathroom. Loo.
How? Where's the shower?
Where's the shower, you ask?
Hang on. Let me.
Why are you
open
doing
this.
that?
Oh, let me show you.
You don't need to do that.
Oh, okay.
We're still learning.
How do I do it?
This is a learning curve. Hello. Okay, I'll do the shower then.
How do I do that then? I haven't learned yet.
Okay, so literally we do that and then put it down. Okay.
Ah. Dun-dun-dun.
Voila. And shower. Perfecto. I love that. It's a really, really cool feature. And that's it.
And the bedroom.
And then the bed. We've got a bit of stairs going on down there. There's a garage at the back, which we'll show you another time. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, all neat, compact. And oh, sorry, the most important feature is the bottle opener. They've literally thought of everything. So yeah, we're going to go and load them up, and you'll see it again when it's a right mess, I expect. We've loaded up. Looks a little bit different to
Got a bit of work to do now.
yeah, it's not too bad. Not so bad. A little bit of packing away to do. I've got to go off and do some work.
And
So
Muffins has got to do it.
yeah, and when I come back, it'll all be done.